Welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna go ahead and install the workbench. Let's see. Here is the box, and here is what we have inside the box. I'm gonna go ahead and take them out and put them in order, and we're gonna start assembling it. Here we have all the items inside the box. Let's check it out closely. We have 4 outlets, and you can turn it on and off. 2 USB-A inputs. These are adjustable. This is the maximum height, and this is the minimum height. Let's check the quality. Awesome. And these are all the tools and legs. This is very sturdy, non-slippery rubber. We connected both of them together with these, and here is the next part. We connected 2 of these, then we're just gonna continue putting the metals around. We are almost done. And the most important thing is we have this screw over here. This is manual. You can do it with your hands. You don't need to use tools to increase the height or decrease the height. That's awesome. This is very convenient. Now 100% completed. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my room right there. There we go. I already plugged it in. Now it's on and off. We have 4 outlets, 2 USB-As. If you want to use these areas, more than welcome. There we go. As you can see, this is very useful. You can do all of your projects on this desk. You can use USB-A areas too. It's awesome. If you want to use black cover, that's more than welcome. This is very sturdy, as you can see. It's hard to damage it. I like the quality of the material. If you want to increase the height or decrease, you can use these very easy. And when we check the legs, this can be adjusted also. Overall, this is very sturdy and very durable. You can do all of your projects here, and very stable. It has non-slippery rubber, and this is adjustable. We have 4 outlets, as you can see, that's protected, and 2 USB-As.